I have mixed one up because now we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. The Dow holding steady, down about 40 points, and Bitcoin making a little bit of a recovery today, up 300 at 9,700. I'd like to see it get above 10. And I just want to point out that one of the things that's really working against me in this show is if I eat or drink too much, my doctor's watching, he starts texting me. And now I'm eating a cookie, and my dentist, Dr. Mike Comito, is texting me to lay off the cookies. So either you guys stop watching, or I'm going to have to change my lifestyle and shrink my body and grow my mind. And joining me, of course, is Frank Morano. And joining us for this Woman Wednesday, back for the third or fourth time, world-renowned expert in cryptocurrency, author of the book Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, Kiana Danial, joins us via Skype. Hey, Kiana, how are you?
Hi, good to see you again.
Greetings. So tell us what's going on. Facebook's under fire. Bitcoin's getting slapped around because of it. You're the expert on this stuff. Tell us what's happening.
Yeah, so I'm kind of glad Facebook is under fire because I'm not the biggest fan of what they're doing anyway. And Bitcoin, yeah, it got a hit yesterday, but you know what? Looking at the charts, a lot of it, in my view, I mean, I'm a chartist. It also is kind of technical. Bitcoin, every time it goes up a few 100%, it reaches back and it goes down to key retracement levels. So it was a combination of fundamentals and the market sentiment from the real Bitcoin traders out there that I think has been causing the fall.
Kiana, you know, I'm also a big Bitcoin and crypto enthusiast, and I've been watching it from 8,000. I thought if it closed above 10 and consolidated a little in there, it could build some nice support and go higher. I've been telling our audiences to be careful if it starts to close under 10, because it could drop back down to the 8. I know in the past you've mentioned some of this stuff. Generally, you kind of know better than everyone. How should investors in cryptocurrencies be looking at this most recent behavior?
Yeah, so I mean, it actually has formed a beautiful double top chart pattern. It is now supported by this Ichimoku cloud that I normally take a look at, keep an eye on. It's an indicator. And it looks like that the core support actually that is heading towards right now, well, the first support that it already broke, it was 900, around 9,600. And the next support now is around 8,759. So yeah, I do agree with you because it did break below the neckline of that double top, which was at 10,000. It can now go lower to basically complete this double top pattern. And I was not a big fan of technical analysis for Bitcoin before, but it is now showing over and over again that it kind of has been following some of the patterns. So there is a chance that we could see a drop towards around 8,500.
Kiana, thanks again for coming on with us. Nobody knows the cryptocurrency markets like you do. And the last time, John alluded to the beating that Facebook took on Capitol Hill yesterday. The last time somebody was grilled like Facebook was yesterday, it was John grilling his daughter's boyfriend when he came over to pick them up for the first time. And so one lawmaker called Facebook dangerous. One lawmaker said to them directly, I don't trust you guys. But I guess my question as a self-professed crypto dummy is, why does the fact that Libra and Facebook is under so much scrutiny, not just by Congress, but by the Treasury Department, why is that taking such an effect on Bitcoin? Why is Bitcoin taking such a pounding when it really has nothing to do with Libra?
Right. So actually, it was very interesting. Yesterday, it was all about Libra and Facebook. Bitcoin wasn't even mentioned once. And the reason is clear. Libra and Facebook, they're pretending to be a cryptocurrency. They technically are a cryptocurrency. They are based on a blockchain, and they're using cryptography for their token. However, what Bitcoin is that is decentralized. It's peer-to-peer. It's trying to get rid of the central banks or a one-man monopoly, kind of corruption thing. Facebook, on the other hand, is the total opposite. It wants to become the central bank globally. So yes, all the central banks are worried about it because it has the power, it has the money, it has all the data to completely take over the world and become the monopoly, which does not really sit well with the ideology that Bitcoin has been promoting and I'm a fan of. So
very good.
That's the reason why I'm not a fan of Libra. If they do at some point become decentralized, then yes, that could be an interesting item to look at.
Thank you, Kiana. We got to have you back soon.
Thank you so much. If you're not a fan of Kiana, you better be. Go to investdiva.com or go look up her book, Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies. You're watching Liquid Lunch and Two Dummies right here. We'll be right back.